In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a Spacedesk with a USB connection, especially if your Wi-Fi connection is super slow or unstable. Using USB tethering can provide a much smoother and more responsive second monitor experience. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to the official Spacedesk website. I want you to download and install the Spacedesk Driver for Windows, and then once it's completed, I want you to restart if prompted. After restarting, make sure the Spacedesk Driver is running in the background. And then after that, do not forget to install the Spacedesk app. Grab your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store if you want, and then search for Spacedesks and install the official viewer app. Once installed, don't open it just yet, okay? Because you need to connect your phone using the USB. So connect your Android device to your computer using a good quality USB cable. After connecting, unlock your phone, and when prompted, allow the USB connection if necessary. And then, enable the USB tethering. Open settings for your Android device. Go to network and internet or connections depending on your phone. So tap hotspot and tethering. Enable USB tethering. This allows your computer and phone to communicate through the USB cable. And then open the Spacedesk Viewer. Launch the Spacedesk Viewer app. After a few seconds, your Windows PC should automatically appear in the available servers list. If it doesn't appear immediately, tap refresh, select your computer, and tap connect. Now, I want you to wait a few seconds, and then your Android device should become a second display. And then finally, you need to configure the display settings. On your Windows PC, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Here, you can rearrange your monitors, you can extend the display or duplicate the mode, change the display resolution, and after display scaling, set the tablet as your primary or secondary monitor. Arrange the displays on the mouse so it moves naturally between screens. Now, if your PC doesn't appear, verify the Spacedesk Driver is running. Okay, so make sure that the USB tethering is enabled. Try reconnecting the USB cable and restart both devices. I want you to update the Spacedesk Driver and Android app and try another USB cable if the connection is unstable. And of course, check whether your firewall is blocking Spacedesk. These steps solve most connection problems. USB tethering often provides a faster, more stable connection than Wi-Fi, making it ideal for gaming, drawing, streaming, or productivity. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.